Hello guys, here are some new update on FSD. Let's check some latest update. Here is Tesla is now updating users on update 2024.3.25. Users on update 2024.3.25 were scheduled to receive FSD 12.4.1. However, since that release has some issues, but user will still be eligible to receive it when it becomes available. Tesla was likely hoping to get user directly to FSD 12.4.1, but with the delay, users are now being updated to 2024.14.9, which has the same FSD version. Here the difference between daily rollout versus cumulative rollout. Negative numbers means that an update is no longer available for some vehicle. It can be caused by installation failure or Tesla preparing to roll out new update. Here are some autopilot update on expanded full self-driving visualization or when full self-driving is active. So these are the update for new batch user. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching.